Ready for a legal dictation? 5 seconds. Start. Fair price shop cancellation of the shop and subsequent restoration petitioner's license cancelled on 29/3/2012. Respondent number 3 was allotted the shop who has been running it successfully since then. Observation of the SDM that explanation given by the petitioner was not satisfactory, but he passed equitable order and has granted license to two persons, that is the petitioner and respondent number 3. Contention of petitioner that there being less than 4,000 card holders, it is against the concurrent government order. Stop. Allegations against petitioner proved to some extent in inquiry. Stop. Respondent number 3 successfully running the shop for the last 10 years. Interference with the order passed by the SDM declined. Writ petition dismissed. Stop. Para. Dinesh Kumar Singh J. Dash heard learned counsel for the parties and peruse the record. Stop. Para. The present petition has been filed, seeking quashing of part of the order dated 28/3/2017 passed by the Sub-Divisional Magistrate, Rudauli District, Faizabad, under bracket now Ayodhya bracket close, under bracket for short SDM bracket close. Stop. Para. The petitioner's license for fair price shop of village panchayat Bihar, Tehsil Rudauli, District Ayodhya, which was cancelled by the SDM void order dated 29/3/2012, has been restored in pursuance of the order dated 14/2/2017 passed by this court in writ petition number 2372 of 2012 filed by the petitioner. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as per the current government order, minimum number of card holders with a fair price shop should be 4,000. Stop. In village panchayat Bihar, there are less than 4,000 card holders and two persons, that is, the petitioner under bracket Dinesh Raj Singh bracket close and respondent number 3 under bracket Srimati Kamlesh bracket close, have been granted license to run the fair price shop for the said village panchayat staff. It is, therefore, submitted that granting two persons fair price shop license for village panchayat Bihar, which has less than 4,000 card holders, is against the concurrent government order. Staff. Para. On the other hand, Mr. Jubair Hassan, learned counsel for respondent number 3, and Mr. K. Singh, learned counsel representing respondent numbers 1 and 2 state, submit that the petitioner's fair price shop was cancelled way back in the year 2012. Stop. The respondent number 3 has been running successfully the fair price shop of village panchayat Bihar. Stop. Learned SDM, though, has held that he is not satisfied with the explanation given by petitioner, still his fair price shop has been restored and, it has been said that the petitioner and respondent number 3 both will run the fair price shop. Stop. They, therefore, submit that considering the peculiar facts, the learned SDM has passed the equitable order and, they prayed that this court, in writ jurisdiction, may not interfere with the impugned order and, thus, the writ petition is liable to be dismissed. Stop. Para. I have considered the submissions advanced by the learned counsel for the parties. Stop. Para. Peruse of the impugned order would disclose that the allegations against the petitioners were proved to some extent in the inquiry. Stop. Despite this, the SDM has decided to restore the license of fair price shop of village panchayat Bihar to the petitioner along with the license to Srimati Kamlesh, respondent number 3, who was granted license for the fair price shop after the petitioner's fair price shop license was cancelled. Stop. The respondent number 3 has been successfully running the fair price of for all these years, that is almost 10 years, and therefore the SDM has passed the equitable order that the respondent number 3 along with the petitioner should run the fair price of even if there is some infractions of provision of the government order stop. This court, in exercise of writ jurisdiction, would not like to interfere with the impugned order stop para. Thus, this writ petition, being devoid of merit and substance, is hereby dismissed. Stop interim order, if any, stands vacated. Stop.